If you're wondering if a fat tire bike is too heavy and too slow for trails, this is the video for you. I want to answer two questions: how fast it is and how heavy it is. But let's start with the obvious fact, something that is easy measurable: how heavy it is. First thing you need to know, I did take off the kickstand, I did take off all the fenders and the rear rack. Also took off the lights, so basically I stripped down the bike to the bare bones. And you don't have to be an expert to realize that it looks a lot better this way. Before it was very dorky, but now it looks very aggressive. And here are some numbers that you might be interested in. Front wheel, without tire or tube, it's 4.47 pounds. The tire itself, the Kenda tire, is 5.24 pounds. The tube inside is 1.28 pounds. So the entire front wheel assembly, it's 11 pounds. The rear wheel without the motor is 12.23 pounds. The motor itself, just the core, it's 8.54 pounds. The battery, it's 8.98 pounds, so 9 pounds. This is about a 1000 watt battery. It's a 48 volt, 15 amp, Samsung cells. The frame is 30 pounds, 0.29, so a little bit over 30 pounds. And that's with everything that I just told you off of it. So it's just a bare bone frame without the wheels, without the battery. But it still has the chain attached to it, the lights, and this trash bag of goodies that I'm measuring right now, it's the front fender, rear fender, lights, and rear rack, which I took off the bike. So it was a 75-pound bike. I took about 5 pounds off of it. That's roughly 7 to 8% difference in weight. It's not much, but it just looked dorky before, and now it looks like a real trail cruiser. So how fast is it as a trail cruiser? This is a very popular bicycle park next to the house. And let me put it this way, I was the fastest one out there. Thank you. Okay, number 4, number 5. There you go. Now we're going. It's maximum 28 miles an hour. I don't want to crash today. Oh, it's definitely pushing. I'm using brakes in turns. Jesus. This is fast. Boy, brake. Man, it's pushing the bike. I'm not good enough to go this fast. Oi. I'm using more brake than anything. Yeah, 28 miles an hour is way too fast. This bike is uncorked. I have a video on that. There it goes. Jesus. Seventh gear. Seven. 5 power assist. Oh, rocky over there. You catch up speed so fast. It's mostly downhill, but not super. I'm not gonna make this one. And that cactus will fuck me up. This bike is too fast. Oh. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think at the bottom of this video. I'm really curious to see what do you think, guys, about this, because I really enjoyed this bike. It climbs any kind of hill. The fat tires are quite amazing, and it goes quite fast where it needs to go fast. Thanks for watching. Good brakes. Really good brakes. Oh man, that was crazy.